Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Tinder. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Tinder, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Tinder on your device. To sign up for Tinder, you can use your Google account, your Facebook account, or your phone number. In this video, we will be using the Facebook account method, so tap Login with Facebook. On this page, check the Facebook profile and tap Continue. Also, add in your phone number and tap Continue. A verification code will be sent to your phone number, and Tinder will automatically verify the code. Tap Continue and tap I agree. Next, select your gender and check the box at the bottom if you want to show your gender on your profile. Tap Continue. Also, select your sexual orientation and check the box at the bottom if you want to show it on your profile. You can also skip this step. Tap Continue. Then select who you are interested in and tap Continue. Similarly, select your university, tap University Name and enter the name of your university. Tap the option you want. You can also skip this step. When done, tap Continue. On this page, select your passions and tap Continue. And that's how you sign up for Tinder. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.